Hello everyone, my subscribers, Brittany is with you, and today I will do a review of the school bus. This is our driver. And also, there are so many cool buttons here. And the steering wheel, of course. Look! Ouch!
Don't touch it! Take your place! Finally, peace and quiet. What's going on?
The party! Everyone is dancing!
A party? Oh no, and I'm not invited again?
Yeah! This is so much fun!
Yeah, I agree. What's going on?
Who is driving the bus? Ah!
Rest in peace, friend. It was my 10th bus.
Yeah, we feel sorry for you. Hey, here's a bus. Will you give us a ride?